Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Step inside this exceptional 3800 modern apartment at the Corniche, one of central London's most prestigious riverside developments, where contemporary design, world-class amenities, and breathtaking views of the Thames and the Houses of Parliament come together in one truly remarkable home. From the very first moment you enter, there's an immediate sense of calm and sophistication, created by clean architectural lines, refined materials, and floor-to-ceiling glazing that frames London's iconic skyline like a living piece of art. As you arrive, the building itself sets the tone. The Corniche stands confidently along the River Thames, its sleek glass facade reflecting the movement of water and sky throughout the day. Residents are welcomed by a 24-hour concierge and hotel-style reception that feels more like a luxury private residence than an apartment building. Security, privacy, and service are seamlessly integrated, allowing daily life to feel effortless and discreet. From here, a private lift takes you smoothly up to the apartment, offering a quiet transition from the energy of the city to the serenity of your own space. The entrance hallway is wide and elegantly finished, immediately communicating a sense of scale. Underfoot, premium flooring runs seamlessly throughout the apartment, guiding you toward the heart of the home. Subtle lighting is carefully integrated into ceilings and walls, creating a warm and inviting glow that enhances the clean, modern aesthetic without overpowering it. Every detail feels intentional, from the quality of the finishes to the way natural light flows through the space. As you step into the main living and dining area, the apartment truly opens up. This is a space designed not just to be seen, but to be lived in. Floor-to-ceiling windows stretch across the entire width of the room, flooding the interior with natural light and delivering uninterrupted views over the River Thames. Directly ahead, the iconic silhouette of the Houses of Parliament and Big Ben rises above the water, offering a view that few properties in the world can claim. By day, the river glistens as boats pass by. By night, the city transforms into a dramatic, illuminated panorama. The open-plan layout allows the living, dining, and kitchen areas to flow together seamlessly while still feeling clearly defined. The living area is spacious and perfectly proportioned, offering ample room for generous seating arrangements without feeling cluttered. It's a space that works equally well for relaxed evenings at home or for hosting guests, with the ever-changing river view acting as a constant focal point. The dining area sits comfortably alongside the living space, positioned to take full advantage of the views. Imagine hosting dinner parties here, with the soft glow of the city lights reflecting off the Thames as a backdrop. It's a setting that elevates even the simplest meal into something memorable, making everyday living feel special. The kitchen is a masterclass in modern design and functionality. Sleek cabinetry with a minimalist finish provides ample storage while maintaining a clean, uncluttered look. Integrated appliances from leading brands are seamlessly built in, ensuring high performance without disrupting the aesthetic. Stone countertops add both durability and elegance, while subtle under-cabinet lighting enhances the sense of depth and refinement. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast or cooking a full dinner, this kitchen is designed to meet the needs of modern city living without compromise. From the main living area, sliding glass doors lead out onto a private balcony overlooking the river. This outdoor space extends the living area beautifully, offering a front-row seat to one of London's most iconic views. It's the perfect place to enjoy a morning coffee as the city wakes up, or a glass of wine in the evening as the lights come on and the river slows into a reflective calm. In warmer months, this balcony becomes an extension of the interior, blurring the line between inside and out. Returning inside, the apartment's layout continues to impress as you move toward the bedroom accommodation. The principal bedroom is a luxurious retreat, designed to feel calm, private, and indulgent. Generous proportions allow for a large bed, seating area, and additional furniture without ever feeling crowded. Floor-to-ceiling windows once again play a key role, offering beautiful views while filling the room with soft, natural light. The ensuite bathroom attached to the principal bedroom is finished to an exceptional standard. Large format tiles, elegant fixtures, and a refined color palette create a spa-like atmosphere. A walk-in rainfall shower and a deep bathtub offer options for both energizing mornings and relaxing evenings. Every detail, from the lighting to the storage, has been carefully considered to deliver both comfort and style. Built-in wardrobes provide generous storage while maintaining the apartment's clean lines. Finished with high-quality materials, they blend seamlessly into the room, ensuring that functionality never compromises the overall design. This bedroom truly feels like a private sanctuary, a place to retreat from the pace of city life while still remaining connected to it through the stunning views. The second bedroom continues the theme of thoughtful design and high-quality finishes. Ideal for guests, family members, or even as a home office, this room is bright, well-proportioned, and versatile. Large windows ensure plenty of natural light, while built-in storage keeps the space feeling open and organized. It's a room that adapts easily to changing needs, making the apartment suitable for a wide range of lifestyles. A second bathroom serves this bedroom and any guests, and it matches the standard set by the in-suite. Contemporary fixtures, elegant tiling, and a refined modern design create a space that feels both practical and luxurious. Even the more functional areas of this apartment reflect the same attention to detail found throughout. Beyond the apartment itself, the Corniche offers residents access to a suite of 5-star amenities that elevate everyday living. A fully equipped gym allows you to maintain an active lifestyle without ever leaving the building, while a private swimming pool provides a serene space to relax and unwind. Spa facilities, including a sauna and steam room, add an extra layer of indulgence, making wellness a natural part of daily life rather than an occasional luxury. Residents also benefit from beautifully designed communal spaces, ideal for informal meetings, remote work, or simply enjoying a change of scenery. These shared areas are finished to the same high standard as the private apartments, reinforcing the sense that this is a truly premium development throughout. Location is, of course, one of this property's greatest strengths. Situated in the heart of central London, the Corniche offers immediate access to some of the city's most desirable destinations. The South Bank is just moments away, providing a vibrant mix of culture, dining, and entertainment. World-class landmarks, galleries, and theaters are all within easy reach, making this an ideal base for enjoying everything London has to offer. Transport connections are excellent, with nearby underground and rail stations providing fast and convenient access across the city and beyond. Whether you're commuting to the city, Canary Wharf, or the West End, getting around is effortless. At the same time, the Riverside setting offers a sense of calm and escape that's rare in such a central location. What truly sets this apartment apart, however, is the way it balances luxury with livability. Every element has been designed to enhance daily life, from the flow of the layout to the quality of the materials and the integration of technology. Climate control, lighting, and security systems are all discreetly incorporated, ensuring modern comfort without visual clutter. As the day transitions into evening, the apartment takes on an entirely new character. The view transforms into a glittering cityscape, with the Houses of Parliament illuminated against the night sky and reflections dancing across the Thames. Inside, the carefully planned lighting creates a warm, intimate atmosphere, perfect for relaxing after a long day or entertaining guests in style. This 3,800 Zero apartment at the Corniche is more than just a home. It's a statement of modern London living at its finest. It offers a rare combination of iconic views, exceptional design, and world-class amenities, all within one of the city's most prestigious developments. For those seeking a refined, contemporary lifestyle in the heart of the capital, this property represents a truly outstanding opportunity. Living here means waking up to one of the world's most famous skylines, enjoying the energy of central London at your doorstep, and returning each day to a space that feels calm, elegant, and undeniably special. It's a home that reflects the very best of modern urban living, where luxury, location, and lifestyle come together seamlessly in one unforgettable address.